Students, 3 and 4 class, we are doing grammar and we started present indefinite tense. Clear? As you know students, in previous lecture we studied about present indefinite and about tense. I told you about tense, that what is the definition of tense and how many tenses. You know that there are 3 tenses. Again I'm telling you that there are 3 tenses: present, past and future. And there are 4 branches of each tense. Clear? And how many types of sentences? I told you there are 4 types. How many? 4. So in previous video we did simple sentences. I told you about simple sentences, that which things we will use in simple sentences. Students, I told you that this tense is totally different than another sentences, or the reason I told you that why it is different. Now students, in simple I told you that we use just forms of verb. Clear? What we use? Forms of verb, and we cannot use helping verb in simple sentences. That's why it is different. So which form we use? We use first form s or es, and with plural just first form we use. Now in this lecture, in this video, we will do negative sentences. Clear? Second type of sentence is negative. So you know that negative mean manfi fikre. Clear? Students, you know that in simple sentence there is no any, nahi, and kya. We use just simple sentence. That's why it is simple. But when in sentence there is nahi, the word is in Urdu sentence nahi. When there will become it means that it is negative sentence. Clear, everybody? So here I have written that when the sentence is negative, we use helping verb in present indefinite tense. In simple sentence, we use just first form, and in negative sentence, we will use helping verb. So there are 2 helping verb of this tense. Students, every tense has different helping verbs. So it has also different helping verbs. There are 2 helping verbs. How many? 2. How many helping verbs? 2. Here I have written do and does. Do and does. Don't forget students that there are 2 helping verbs of present indefinite, do and does. Now forms of verb. Form of verb we use first form. With do and does we use first form. Students, in simple sentences we use s or es, but in negative sentence just first form we will use with do and does. So here where we will use do and does, let's see. Do, students, we use with plural. You know that plural mean we, they, you and I. These are plurals. And does we use with singular, he, she, it. We will use does with these pronouns. Clear? These are pronouns. Instead of these pronouns there can come another person's name, things and places name. So we will use does with that words. Here's the structure. I have written, students, that what is this structure when we will create sentence in English. So first is subject. You know about subject. I told you what is subject. Clear? Do, does, helping verb. Either if it is singular we will use does, if it is plural we will use do. Next, not. After helping verb we will use not, then first form, then object, and in the last full stop. For instance, students, I have written here Urdu sentences and English as well. So first is वो सबक याद नहीं करता है. Here is students, you know, नहीं word is used, so it means it is negative sentence. So first the structure is subject. So here is wo he is subject, and after subject do and does. Here students, you know, he is singular. Here I have written he is singular, and we will use does. He does. After helping verb not, he does not. Next first form याद करना, that is verb, and learn, his lesson, that is object, and in the last full stop. So structure is complete. Clear? Next, आयशा रोज़ाना दांत साफ नहीं करती है. आयशा does not brush daily. आयशा is singular and we will use here does not brush daily. लड़के बड़ों का कहना नहीं मानते हैं. Students, here you can see लड़के, that are plural, so the boys do not. Boys are plural, so here we will use do not obey their elders. So here हम अपना वक्त ज़ाया नहीं करते हैं. Here हम plural, we do not waste our time. वो तंबाकू नोशी से नफ़रत नहीं करते हैं. They do not hate smoking. Students, these are plural sentence. Now students, in this lecture we did negative sentences, and you will make maximum 10 sentences of negative of present indefinite negative sentence. You will make. Clear? Urdu and English you will create by own selves, and you will write on your notebook. For students, you will learn helping verb, formal verb, and singular, what we will use with singular and what we will use with plural. First you have to learn these things, then you will create sentences. Students, you know, we are going to conduct assessments, and you will pick from office. It's your parents' responsibility that they will prepare you honestly, and if you will not get good marks in exams, certain exams, so you will not be promoted in next class. So you have to prepare assessments very well, and you have to pick from office one by one, and you will, there is hard copy of assessments, and you will take from there and then submit in office. Clear? Allah Hafiz.